Hello, today is week 9, day 1. And we are learning how to compare and contrast. Comparing and contrasting means thinking how things are the same and different. If I showed you an apple and an orange, we could compare them and say they are both fruit. And if you tasted them, you could say they both taste sweet. But if we looked at the color, we could say one is red and one is orange. And if we looked at the shape, we'd say one is round and the other one is a little bit more oval shaped. Their skin is different. One has smooth skin, one has bumpy skin. We have just compared and contrasted an apple and an orange. As we read, we want to ask questions that we learned in week 5, to ask questions as we read. We will stop after each paragraph and ask questions about what we've read. So this is called backyard birds. Some people like to see birds in their yard. They like the pretty colors. They like to hear birds sing. People put bird feeders in their yard to get birds to visit. So this first paragraph, why do you think that people like to see birds? They like their pretty colors. They like to hear them singing. What do they do to get them to come to their yard? They put feeders in the back to get them to visit. Some feeders hold seeds. Most birds eat seeds. Pigeons and doves like corn too. Woodpeckers and blue jays like cakes of hard fat. Many birds also like popcorn and bread. But watch out, the squirrels like these foods too. So, what kind of foods do birds like? They like seeds, corn, hard fat, popcorn, and bread. Who else likes these foods? Squirrels like them. Feeders for hummingbirds hold sugar water. Some people color it red. The hummingbirds remember where the feeders are. They come back again and again. We had a hummingbird feeder at our school one year. And after reading this, I think, oh dear, I feel bad because some hummingbirds came. Maybe they came again a different year and the feeder wasn't there. That would be very sad for them. What do the feeders hold for the feeders for hummingbirds? What do they hold? They hold sugar water. People who do not have yards can hang bird feeders near their windows. The birds will come to eat the food. Thank you, they will tweet through the glass. And at our school, we hung our bird feeder right on the window so that we could see them well. Maybe I will have to put a bird feeder out this year. Number 1, birds and squirrels both like, what do they both like? Cake, bread, hard fat, sugar water. So we can come back up here and find where it said squirrels. And here's the sugar water, so it's not that one. So look and see which one that it is near. Number 2, pigeons and doves both like. Well, if we don't remember, we can come back and scan. We read about pigeons and doves in here, and here I see pigeons and doves. What is it that they like? Read around that sentence to help you know. Corn, hard fat, sugar water, or bread. Number 3, which bird is different from the others because it drinks its food? A dove, a pigeon, a woodpecker, or a hummingbird? If you don't remember, you can come back and you can see which bird kind of has a liquidy thing to drink. Number 4, which food would bring the most kinds of birds to a feeder? A, fat, B, bread, C, seeds, or D, sugar water? So if you look back at this paragraph, it tells you which one most birds like. And then it tells you a few more choices that special birds like. Write a question you had that the passage answered.